What is that mysterious ticking noise? It's over here, not over there. It's kind of catchy. Snip, snip, Severus Snape, snip, snip, Severus Snape. Dumbledore! Snape, Severus Snape, snip, snip, Severus. Ron, Ron, Ron Weasley. Dumbledore! Snip, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape. Hermione, 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 Hermione. Harry Potter, Harry Potter, ooh, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter. Harry Snape, 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 Harry. Dumbledore! Hermione, I'm Harry Potter, Harry Potter, I'm Harry Potter, Harry Potter, singing a song all day long at Hogwarts. I found the sauce for the ticking. It's a pipe bomb. Yay! Boom! Ha ha ha! Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort. Blub 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 blub. Tee hee.